Did you know that there's only a small fraction of faceless YouTube channels that are making big money? And here's the kicker, guys. The ones that are using the strategy that I'm actually about to share with you in this video are making a heck of a lot of money, and they're not even doing it the right way. But what they have mastered is how to get a lot of views, and a lot of views turn into a lot of money for them. But what I'm going to show you how to do is actually how to use this strategy to make a lot of money without getting massive amounts of views. And the more views that you put into it, the more money that you make. All right, guys, so I want to draw this out for you. And first, I just want to draw it out, and then I'm going to fill this in with a real life example that kind of shows you the strategy behind this. So at the top here, I just want to draw out what would represent about 20 YouTube videos on your channel. All right, so I'm going to center those. And I just want you to think about, you have an education-based channel that you're creating content on that's delivering value. Now, in my case, in my example, I talk about a lot about YouTube and selling products and things like that. Well, a popular tool in my niche, for example, that I could promote as an affiliate is a tool called vidIQ, which is a software program that helps video marketers that are trying to grow on YouTube with things like keyword research and video optimization, and it has AI tools and all kinds of stuff like that. Well, I want you to imagine this, right? Let's imagine that all 20 of these videos up here are educational based videos on topics on how to do the things that vidIQ helps people do, right? So for example, let's say that I got 5 videos here that are about keyword research, right? So these 5 videos right here are all about different topics about keyword research. And these next 5 over here are about video optimization. And these next 5 here are about using AI to create videos. And let's say these 5 over here are about finding popular topics for videos, right? All of which, every one of these things, vidIQ helps you do, right? Now, not to say that every one of these videos is just about using vidIQ, but it would definitely talk about vidIQ in most of them, right? So for example, this video right here might be the beginner's guide to YouTube keyword research. Right. That would be that video right there. And I'm not going to put all these out here, but let's say the second one in that group of 5 might be how to use vidIQ to find highly searched keywords. And the third video in that group might be how to find keywords to rank in your video description, right? So all kinds of different things related to keyword research, and I would do that for each one of these categories. Now, what I would do in this case, and this is an old school concept that's been around a long time, all the way back to the blogging days, if you've been around long enough for that. But if I copy this and bring this down here, there used to be a cool strategy that we called pillar content. All right. And back in the blogging world, this was usually this ultimate post that was really in depth, pages and pages of content that was like the ultimate guide how to do something. So in our case of this YouTube channel, this particular video might be something like the ultimate guide to YouTube keyword research. Right? Or what a lot of people are doing these days that's really popular and getting a ton of views is something like everything you need to know about YouTube keyword research. And here's what a lot of people are doing: full course. Right? So they're basically giving away almost like a full course on YouTube. Now, here's how this starts to get more and more powerful. All of these videos up here link people to this pillar piece of content, right? So each one of these, boom, all feeding people into this ultimate piece of content that you've created here. Now, if we move this right here, because this was just the title of this video, we move this down. This video is going to have its title beneath it, right? And it's going to have a description. Well, here's what happens, guys. People come up here, they find these videos because they're keyword targeted and they're on topics that people are searching for. Boom, this one's the beginner's guide to keyword research. They like that video. Maybe they stumble onto this one because it's related to this one. And then all of a sudden in their suggested feed, or they subscribe to you and this shows up on their homepage, they see see this ultimate guide to keyword research. Oh, and by the way, we know they're very interested in that topic because they just found these videos up here, and now they come down to this one here. And this is like a 30-minute to hour-long video on all kinds of topics on keyword research. Now here's where it gets fun, and this is where the dollar signs start to come in. All throughout these videos, guess what you're using? vidIQ. Because in this example, that is our affiliate offer. Now, it's very important that we have a good system down here in this video description that gets people to click over to our affiliate link or join our email list, all the things that I'm going to cover in this video. But we got to optimize this, right? We got to have some good information in here that is going to get people to click on a link, which is our affiliate link. So I'll put AF here, AFL affiliate link, which is going to take them over to the sales page or free trial page for vidIQ, right? So we got a headline there, probably a video sales letter there, some copy down here, and a buy button for them to sign up. Now, earlier in this video, I told you there's a big problem with how most people are doing this, right? Most people creating faceless channels that are actually using affiliate marketing are just showing how to use the tool and then saying, hey, if you like what I'm doing here, I put a link in the description where you can get a 1-month trial. All well and good, right? You get a ton of views, you're going to make some money from that. There's going to be some people that click on your link because you're giving value in your videos and they're going to buy. But here is how you 10 times this strategy, guys. Well, the first way we're going to 10 times it. In this description here, we're going to tell them how they can get an amazing free bonus if they sign up through our link. And somewhere throughout all of our videos, we're going to say something like, you know, vidIQ is my keyword research tool of choice. I use it every single day as I'm creating videos for YouTube. Whether I'm doing keyword research or I want to optimize my videos, that is a tool I'm using. I've actually put together something amazing for you guys if you sign up to vidIQ through my link. So what I put together is X, right? Which X is going to be your bonus offer. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to create one of those. So just as a quick example, let's go over to ChatGPT and let's say this. I am a YouTuber that creates content on how to grow and monetize a YouTube channel. And guys, you don't have to be in this niche. That's the niche I happen to be in, so that's why I'm using this as an example. I am an affiliate for a software product called vidIQ. I do a lot of videos on my channel on how to do keyword research and optimize videos using vidIQ. I would like to put together a very high quality bonus offer to encourage people to sign up for vidIQ through my affiliate link. Can you give me 10 ideas for bonus offers I can create? And what you'll see is it has started to put together a bunch of different ideas for me to use as a bonus offer for people that buy through my affiliate link. Now, I think what I would do in this case, if I was promoting vidIQ as an affiliate, is I would say something like, I would like to put together a step-by-step guide on showing exactly how I do keyword research in depth with screenshots and examples of exactly how I do it. Plus, I would like to create another one that shows exactly how I use it to optimize my videos. Plus, another guide on how I find high-performing videos to recreate and blow up on my channel using vidIQ. Can you come up with really cool names for each of those guides and write some copy that is enticing for my bonus offer? And what this is doing, guys, is now it's creating the name of all 3 of these guides, right? Like, this is a pretty cool one. The Ultimate Keyword Domination Blueprint, how to find and rank for the best keywords using vidIQ, right? And now it's giving me some copy if I wanted to put all this onto a page that promotes that affiliate link. And then we got the vidIQ Power Optimization, the step-by-step guide to boosting your YouTube video rankings, and Viral Video Re-engineered, how to find, recreate, and explode with proven high-performing YouTube content using vidIQ. And what I'm going to say is, okay, I would like to create a page on my website that includes all this copy and has a graphic representing each guide and a button for people to buy through my affiliate link. Can you write the copy for this page? And guys, if you haven't been around affiliate marketing for a long time, what we call this type of page is a bridge page, right? And it is actually written all the content for this page that I would put on my website. And guys, I'm going to redraw some of the whiteboard that I drew in just a minute to show you how all this works together. But this gives me the copy for that page. Now, before I redraw that, I want to do one more thing. Now help me write a section for the description of my videos that talks about how they can find out more about my exclusive bonus for vidIQ. Right, and it's actually wrote up something pretty good right here that I could put in my description. So I'm actually going to copy this and I'm going to paste this here just so we can edit this a little bit. Want to grow your YouTube channel faster and smarter? When you sign up for vidIQ through my affiliate link, you'll gain access to my exclusive bonuses designed to help you master keyword research, optimize your videos, and find viral content to recreate. Learn about all the bonuses here. Link back to your website, right? So this would be the link back to your affiliate page on your website, which would have all of this copy right here that it created for us, right? So let's go back to our whiteboard here and let's redraw some of this real quick. So if we go back to here, we had the description for this video, and we would have this information right here inside of our video description. And at the very bottom, we would put a link for them to check out our exclusive bonuses. Now, what this would do is send to a page on our website that has all of this information right here on that page, right? And this would have a graphic of all three of these guides. It would look super nice, right? So it might have a big graphic of all three guides right here at the top, all that copy that it wrote that makes your offer sound amazing, and a button down here at the bottom that now this button is tied to your affiliate link, which now goes over to, in this example, the vidIQ sign up page, right, where they would buy and spend money here, which would earn you money. This is you looking super cool over here. Draw your wallet because now you're making affiliate money, right? Now also what's working really well for us in this example is that vidIQ is a monthly payment. So guess what? Every month that this person is a customer of vidIQ, I'm making affiliate commissions, and I'm making a lot of sales because I took the time to create an amazing bonus offer, right? I didn't do what 90% of people do and just say, hey, the link to sign up for vidIQ is in my description. No, I said, hey, here's a bunch of cool ways to use vidIQ, get them really excited and say, oh, by the way, I put together these really awesome guides that's going to help you use vidIQ even better. And when you sign up for vidIQ through my link, you actually get all three of those guides for free. Pretty powerful stuff, right? And guys, what we haven't even talked about is that each one of these categories would be doing the same thing, right? Different pillar content video here, another description here, that's doing the same thing, promoting this bonus, right? And now what I could even try out is if I really wanted to fine tune this thing and test it, I could try different copy on the different descriptions of videos. And if I really wanted to get advanced, I could have different copy for multiple pages like this that I test out, right? Until I dial this thing in and find out what's converting. Right? So each one of these categories would have this. Now, if I wanted to, each one of these videos descriptions up here could also have the copy there for our bonus offer and link to this page as well. Or you could just send them to your big pillar content, which promotes this. Now, guys, there's one other way that you can do this, right? But I wanted to show you the fastest path to making good money with this. But there is one other way that you can do this. So let's clean this up a little bit. All right. Now, in this example, we linked over to our bonus page, which then linked over to our affiliate offer. Now, another way that I could do this, instead of linking over to our bonus page, is in this description, I could link over to a different page on my site. For example, as a headline here. And let's say in this case, I decided that I'm going to give away the Ultimate Keyword Domination Blueprint for free. So on this page, I have a picture of that guide right there, right? An awesome ebook. And all they have to do is enter their name and email, press the submit button, and they get it for free, right? So in the description, I say, hey, if you want my ultimate guide to keyword research, you can actually get it 100% for free. Just check out the description, right? And in the description, it links over to the page for them to get it for free. They enter their name, their email, press this button, and it takes them to a download page. So download page where they can download that guide, and that gives it to them, and they can start reading your PDF guide, right? Right now we've given them some value. But the beauty of this, we captured their email address. So now what's going to happen is in my emails, I'm going to deliver some value, but I'm also going to start sending them to a bonus page that if they buy through my affiliate link for vidIQ, they get the other two guides, or maybe even a different bonus if I wanted to, when they sign up through my link. So now my affiliate link is here, and now this goes to the sales page for vidIQ in this example, right? And they can buy it here, right? This is where the money happens. Remember, I get commissions every month that they pay for that tool. And again, I got me over here, my wallet out, and these affiliate commissions are coming in every month. But the reason this is cool is now I can do this over and over again, right? And these don't even have to be salesy emails, guys. This can be, hey, one tip that I learned about keyword research, right? And I give them one tip and I give it 2 to 3 paragraphs. And then at the end I say, by the way, if you haven't seen my bonus, when you sign up for vidIQ through my link, go check it out here. And then this one might be, hey, how I come up with really awesome titles for my YouTube videos using vidIQ's AI feature, right? And I write a short email about how to do that. Oh, by the way, if you want to sign up through my link, you get these awesome bonuses. And guys, I can have as many emails in this campaign that automatically go out that I want when somebody joins my email list right here, right? So there's really 2 different ways that you can do it, and you can test it, right? You can have one of these promote directly to your bonus page, and you can test this one where it promotes it to the email, and test this one promoting directly to the bonus page, and this one promoting to the email list. And then you find out which one is working the best. And let's say it's the emails. Well, then you just pivot this one to that, and you pivot this one to that. And now all of them are optimized and converting at a high level. Now I want to give you 2 other really cool things here. If I go back to ChatGPT and say, okay, I have some people on my email list that I would like to send an email to that gives them a tip on how I use vidIQ's question feature within their keyword research tool to find good keywords. Can you write that email and at the end write a quick promotion that sends them to the link of my bonus page for vidIQ? And guys, now this will actually write the emails for you. And again, just like any other AI tutorial that I do on this channel, always go through this, fine tune it, rewrite it, make it better, so it's not just AI coming up with some basic content, right? But this gets you a good framework. And what I could say, can you help me map out a 20 email campaign that I could use to deliver value and promote my bonus and affiliate link? Just give me the subject lines for the emails. And now we'll actually map out an entire campaign for me that I can put into my autoresponder that are going to simply continue to promote my affiliate link over and over and over again. And guys, I hope you just had a light bulb moment, because what we just did here was we built a lot of assets that are going to pay us a lot of money, right? We got a lot of assets that are videos out here bringing in traffic. We got some really awesome pillar content assets down here that are turning people from casual viewers to people that absolutely love our content because of the high value that we are delivering. And then we're capturing people on an email list. So we have a whole bunch of other assets that are automated emails that are working as sales reps for us, which ultimately is filling up our wallet with affiliate commissions.